Hi, today in front of me Huawei P60 Pro and I'll show you how to turn on or turn off silent mode on this device. So first we should open the settings application, then tap to sounds and vibration and you will see here sounds and silent and vibration mode section. So just to activate silent mode, you should switch sound to the silent mode. When the silent mode is activated, we can see that our ringtones, messages and notifications, they will be muted. Just to unmute them, you should turn off the silent mode and activate the sound one. Also, we can make it by the second way. Just open the control panel and find here sound icon. And just to activate silent mode, you should tap twice on this icon and now let's switch to the silent one. To turn it off, click once on the silent and switch it to the sound one. And also we could press to the up or down volume button. Okay, here you will see bell icon or the settings icon. You could launch the same settings and use the silent mode or to turn it off. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.